by means once I wrote any web application, web service by using this Java. So this Java web service I can use it in .NET itself as well as SharePoint anywhere, because it can be accessible across multiple applications. So let us see in which situations we will use the web services. See, whenever whenever I want to withdraw the amount from ATM, then what will happen? One web service is taking care of this transaction, another web service is taking care of this printing the receipt, another web service is taking care of this amount dispensing or such tasks. So all the things, by means different web services are grouped together and they are performing the task so far. So such kind of the thing actually we have to make it out. Then we need the help of web service so far. So that's why if you want to make in such a way that, see, you want to make write once and run from multiple different applications, such kind of the thing actually we do with respect to this web services file. Now see, what are the standards of web services we have here is, see, web services ensures different standards as. So what are the standards here we have with respect to this web service? See, SOAP, WSDL, and as well as XML so far fine. So these are the different standards we have here fine. Just a minute. So these are the standards we have for web services. See, we have here SOAP, UDDI, and as well as WSDL. So like that, these are the different standards we have here fine. So what is actually the SOAP here so far is, see, SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. So what is the purpose of SOAP is, see, it is a communication protocol that which enables the communication between web service and client so far. So between this web service and client, now if you want, so between this web service and client, if you want to enable the communication, by means if you want to enable the communication between this web service and client, so such kind of the thing actually we do with respect to this SOAP so far fine. And next we have here is UDDI so far. So UDDI stands for, see, we have here Universal Description, Discovery and Integration. So universal description, discovery and integration. So what is the thing we have is, it is a registry where we can register and deploy the web services so far fine. So that's why, see, the main purpose is, so if you want to register or deploy the web services, such kind of the thing, so that situation we need the help of this UDDI so far. So that's why UDDI is just like, it is a registry we call it. So because any web service needs to be available, it needs to be registered somewhere. So that's why that kind of the thing actually we do with respect to this UDDI so far. So UDDI is just like, it is a registry where we can register and deploy the web services so far fine. And next we have here is WSDL so far. So what is actually WSDL here is, see, web services description language we call. So the main purpose of WSDL here is, see, generates XML vocabulary for the web methods which are there in web service so far fine. So that's why the main purpose is, because as soon as it is available in XML format, then only we are going to get, then only we can access them across multiple applications, because XML is very much compatible and as well as it's a cross-platform application kind of the thing. So here we have WSDL purpose is, if you whatever the service method, because a web service contains number of web methods, the web methods will be there in the Java code. So whatever the web methods are there, those methods needs to be converted into this, XML understandable format that actually we do with respect to this WSDL so far fine. So these are the different things we have. So SOAP, UDDI and as well as WSDL. And next we have is XML. So as the name says, it's going to generate the XML vocabulary so far. See, it is a common understandable format which allows you to transfer data from various applications. So these are the different things we have here. Fine. So SOAP as well as UDDI and as well as WSDL and XML. So like that I have here. Fine. Now see how the way we are going to create a simple web service. Let's start right now. Yeah. So see how we are going to make it out here with respect to this. New dynamic web project we have now. So now see we are going to make it out with respect to this. Yeah. So first see what I want to do here is let me create a class over there. So after creating the class, next what I will do is I'm going to convert that into this web service so far. So see this one how we are going to do that here. See first let me create a class over there. So calculations like that I have here. Fine. Now in this see we have calc. So now see we have here is with respect to this public int sum of int x comma int y return x plus y we have here. Fine. Int sub of int x comma int y return x minus y we have int mult of int x comma int y return x star y so far. Fine. So this is the one we have here. Fine. So now see we have to do with respect to this here is see I want to convert this class into this web service so far. So see how I am going to convert this into this web service here. So right click on this one and new other we have web services. Now after that see we have here is just select this web service so far. Fine. So you have to select this web service here, click on next, 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 finish. So this is the way we created this web service. Fine. So now after that what I want to do here is I want to create a client application for that. So after making the client application, then in that client actually I want to add the web service client. So after that, in that I want to call this one. So see how I will do that. Now let me create a client here with respect to this. So right click new, and after that here we have client program something. So right click and as well as new, other we have here web service client I have. Next browse, and this is the one first I have here. So click on OK. Next finish. So automatically we are going to make this client program with respect to this file, because in the client, see, these are the things we are going to make it out, like automatically this soap file as well as this service file, everything will be coming into this so far. Now what I want to do here is just let me go to this C main prog, we have main. Now in this C we have here is C calculation proxy equals to let me call this one C, just a minute. Yeah, I have to go with locator first. Calculation service locator equals to new calculation service locator we have here. Fine. Now after that, see, we have here is calculation proxy equals to locator dot get calculation I have here. Fine. So it will throw some exception. Let me add the throws here. Fine. So now see what I want to do here with respect to this. Let me add this thing. See, import java dot util dot star. Now after that I have C with respect to this int a comma b comma c. Now let me read the two numbers here. So see here I have scanner. So enter two numbers. A equals to, sorry, here we have scanner scr equals to new scanner of system.in. So now after that, see, we have here is a equals to integer dot percent of scr dot next line, and b equals to integer dot percent of scr dot next line. So far fine. So these are the two things we have. Now after that, what I want to do here is see. So let me add these things here. So int res equals to proxy dot sum of, so sys out result is, now result equals to proxy dot sub of a comma b we have, so sys out result is in the same way. Next we have result equals to proxy dot mult of a comma b, and as well as we have here, so sys out result is plus res we have. So now let me run this one here, calculation file, Java application I have. So result is this will have 75, 31 and as well as 1166. So like that, this is the way we are going to make it out so far. Fine. So this is the way we are doing with respect to this. So that's why the main purpose of this web service here is with respect to this is, see, I wrote the service once, but actually I am calling this one so far. Now let us see where actually, so how actually this what it calls this just a minute, how actually this visual file will be there, because as I told, it would be converted into this XML understandable format. So see the visual file how it would be generated. So once we are going to do that, let's see, just read the source here. This is the way how, see, element name is sum. It will take two parameters as x and y, and it will returns integer so far. So that's why element sum return integer there. Same way multiplication also same thing here. Now as well as subtraction also same thing with respect to this, and as well as so in the same way next we have, so sum, subtraction, we have multiplication, all the things. So whatever the methods we are writing in Java with respect to this, these methods will be converted, this what it calls into the XML understandable format so far. Fine. So this is the way we are doing that here. Fine. Now see, what I want to do here is this service actually, so this is the one we have here. Fine. Now what I want to do here is this visual file actually I want to run it in .NET. Will it run in the .NET or not? Just I will show only, just I'm going to show you, because .NET actually we are not comfortable, but I will show how we will call that one. Okay, just see the application execution purpose, not the syntaxes. Now yeah, create one console application kind of section. Yeah. Now see here I have with respect to this, right click, add service reference, just a minute. Now so we added the service here. Fine. So now what I want to do is, let me call this service here in .NET itself. So here I have int a comma b comma c. Now after that, see, we have here is service reference one dot calculation client equals to new service reference one dot so and so thing we have here. Fine. Now after that, see, we have here is c equals to client dot sum of a comma p cw sum is plus c we have here. Fine. Now c equals to client dot sub of a comma b we have cw subtraction is plus c we have here. C equals to client dot mult of a comma b cw mult is plus c so far. Fine. So now run this one here. So let's run this. Now see, we are getting this one. So sum, subtraction, multiplication, all we are getting. So that is the advantage with respect to this web service. So that's why the main purpose of web service is, if you want to write this once and as well as call. So if I want to ensure that, see, if I want to write it once and as well as run from many applications, so irrespective of programming language, if I want to run any application, such kind of the thing, that we will do with respect to this web service. So far fine. So this is the way we are doing that here, fine. Now next thing, see, what we have to do here with respect to this is, see, so this is the way we are doing this one here, fine. And next thing we are going to make it out is yeah, so next thing we are going to see with respect to this is how actually. So let me repeat what are the steps I did, because I went a bit fast, so let me repeat those things. So first, what we have to do is, what are the steps we have to do if you want to create a web service. Now see, these are the steps we have to follow. See, steps to create a web service. So first thing what I want to do here is, see, create a class and write relevant code in that. So first what I have to do is, I want to create a class and as well as I want to write some relevant code with respect to this here, fine. So let me do this one here. So what is the way I will do with respect to this is, see, so file, new, dynamic web project we have. Now in this, what I want to do is, let me write simple code with respect to this. Yeah, let me do with respect to this. See, we have like same thing. Let me do that calculation, something I have. Click on next, and generate the web XML file. Finish so far. So first I created that one here, fine. So after making out this thing, see, next what I want to do, let me add this one. So right click, new class I have, and just give here as so in the calculation, let me do something here as, see, string demo, something I have here, fine. So now in this, let me write some string methods there with respect to this. Public int LGN. Now after that, see, we have here is a public, so public string str2 lower of string name we have. Now after that, return, after that name dot to lowercase we have here, fine. And in the same way, public string of to upper of string name I have. Now in this I have return name dot to uppercase I have here, fine. So and as well as next so these are the three methods I have here. So let me write these three methods there. Now what is the job we have to do after writing the relevant code? Please convert the class into web service class. So you have to convert this class into this web service class so far. So see this one, how we are going to make it out here. So right click on this one, sorry, right click, new, and as well as please go to other so far. So in this, see, what we have to do here is, please select web service there. So first you have to select this web service with respect to this, fine. So click on this web service and click on next. Now after that, see, we have here, what is the implementation class? See, this is the one we have. The implementation is coming with respect to this str demo with respect to string demo, like that. Now click on next with respect to this. Now it is going to say that because I want to generate the WSDL file. So what is the purpose of WSDL file? Whatever the code actually we have for that so we have to make this WSDL file with respect to this, because see, whatever the code actually we have for this, we have to generate the XML vocabulary, isn't it? Because as soon as the XML vocabulary is not there, we cannot get. So as soon as the XML vocabulary is not there, I cannot get those things, isn't it? So that's why here I want to generate this XML vocabulary. So what are the methods? So which methods it will generate the XML vocabulary, and it is going to store it in the WSDL file. So those information will be stored in that. Now click on next over there. Now click on finish. So happily we created the visual file here. Fine. So now see, we have in this visual, see we have, so this is the one we have two upper, this is the way two upper response. Now two lower I have. Now after that two lower response string length with respect to this. So also these are the different things. So these are the different things we have. So the SOAP communication protocol, and as well as with respect to this visual, everything it would be generated over there here. Fine. So this is the way we have. So visual operation string to lower. So input we have SOAP body, everything we are able to get it here. Fine. So this is the way we did. Fine. Now next what I want to do here is, let me call this one. So let me use this. Say we have project, we have, so string applications with respect to this client. Actually I want to do that now. So here I have, see, with respect to this, right click new class we have here. Now in this C, let me go to this main method here. Fine. Now in this C, let me make it out, right click properties we have. So I want to call this client now. So here I have, see, new, shit, something I missed out, it will not come, I think. Let me see, right click new, and as well as other I have web service client. Here what we have to do is we have to select this web service client. Next, browse, where we have here calculation. So this is the way we have here. Fine. Now what I want to do here is, see, with respect to this, let me use a string demo service locator equals to new string demo. So first I created a locator there, because these classes are created automatically, because for communication purpose as well as for returning the data, such kind of the things, these classes are created automatically. So here we have string demo service locator equals to new string demo service locator I have. Now after that, see, we have here is string demo, after that proxy equals to locator dot get string demo I have here. Fine. So I have to get those things here. Now see, we have, so now next thing what I want to do here with respect to this is, let me read a string here. So string name we have, so sys out, enter name we have here. Fine. So here I have, see, scanner str equals to new scanner of system dot in we have here. Fine. So this is the way we have. So scanner str equals to new scanner of system dot in I have here. Fine. So now what I want to do here is, let me get the methods here. So now see, we have here is the string length equals to name dot, sorry, so string length equals to, we have proxy dot, so this is the one we have. So what is the thing we have? String length of name we have. So automatically I'll get this length here. Sorry, int na. So this is the way we have here. Fine. So let me read it. Name equals to str dot next line. Now I will display the length over there here. Fine. So sysout length is, here I have plus len I have here. Fine. Now see, let me run this, enter the name we have. See, length I am getting here as 7 so far. Fine. Now in the same way, next we are going to make it out here is, see, yeah, LWR equals to proxy dot to uppercase str to lower of name I have here. Fine. Now say we have sys out name in lowercase we have plus lwr. So here we have, so automatically that name is coming in lowercase with respect to this. Fine. Now in the same way, next we have here is string upr equals to proxy dot to upper of name we have here. Fine. Sys out uppercase plus upr we have here. Fine. Now run this one here. So enter name. So length is 7, lowercase and as well as uppercase. So these are the things actually we have to make it out so far. Fine. So this is the way we are going to do that here. Fine. So this is the way we are creating this simple web service, and as well as we are calling this web service in the so this is the way we are creating this web service with respect to this, and I am calling this one so far. Fine. And next what I want to do is I want to create a web service in such a way that I will JDBC things actually I want to include, like let me write one method here as insert emp there. So in that actually I want to pass employee number, name, department, designation, basic those things. So based on that one actually I want to call it. So see how we will do that here. So right click new dynamic, other we have file new dynamic web project we have. Now after that see we have here is this, let me make it out emp jdbc I have, click on next, generate, finish. So now in this let me write a code class here. So org.me.jdbc, in this I have employee as a class I have here. Fine. So in this the employee class what I want to do here, so first let me add this jars as usual. So right click, properties, add external jars, copy it here. Fine. Web info lib. So like that I have. Now after that see in this employee what I want to do here, so public string insert emp of, here I have int emp no, string name, string dept comma, string desig comma, int basic we have here. Fine. So now see we have to do with respect to this is see, so let me make it out here. So now here we have to do with respect to, so now see we have to do with respect to this is, let me make it out. So this is the first one we have. So class start for name of so and so thing, net.sourceforce.jtds.jdbc.driver we have. Now after that see we have here connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection of so and so thing we have. So what is the thing we have here? So connection con equals to driver manager get connection of JDBC colon JTDS colon SQL server person hyphen PC and SQL practice username and password I have here fine. Now, so this is the first one we have fine. Now after that, see what I want to do. So this is the connection I made it here fine. And next we have to do here is see in this prepared statement pst equals to connection dot prepare statement of this is the way I have insert into emp values so and so thing I have here fine. So prepare statement pst equals to connection dot prepare statement of so and so thing. Now basic class next
Hello, can you hear me, everybody? Hello, can you hear me? Shall I continue?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
I
I
can.
can.
Yeah, if it is lagging is there, immediately tell me, then I will slow. Okay, just I
Sure, sure.
restarted and even I am connecting from my system also. I will see parallelly and I will go through that. Okay, another system also I am connecting. Just a minute. Yeah. So first let me repeat the program again. So first what I want to do is I want to implement this simple JDBC applications with respect to this so far. So see how we are going to do that here. First let me create a server application here. So right click new. So after that see we have emp JDBC. So now see what I want to do here is, so first thing what I want to make it out here is, first let me add the jar files here. So right click properties, we have add external jars. So now next what we have to do with respect to this is, I want to create a class. In this I want to write the business logic so far. So see we have here with respect to this, mm, so let me add this code here. So right click new class I have here. So let me create the class as employee.
Prasanna?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I'm also seeing the same issue, Prasanna, basically, not Ashwant. Me also, because you're telling about right click something, you're telling something right.
Yes.
Okay. I'm also seeing it's a late response, basically.
Okay, which screen you are getting right now? Right now, which screen you are on?
It's empty because the project
Yeah,
explorer, we have
yeah, that only I have right now. Just right
okay.
click new class I did. Box.
Something delay. If you can right click something, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
I will
I'm
just open the dialog box right now. I'm in the Java class dialog box. Did you see that?
okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Oh, no. Can you cancel it one? Can you cancel it one once? Cancel once?
Okay. Yeah, I cancelled.
Still I'm seeing the dialog box. Still I'm seeing dialog box. Still also.
Okay.
Still it's
But
there. Still you cancel right? Still for me it's still showing the dialog box.
Okay. Everybody getting the same thing? Hello.
now,
Mm, yeah.
Raghav Jyotish feel same issue or different issue?
Same issue, Shiva.
Everybody having the same issue?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes Prasanna. Everybody has the same
Okay.
issue.
A little
Just
bit
a minute.
better for me, but
Okay. Just give me a minute.
Still I'm seeing dialog box. Up to
Yeah.
still also I'm seeing dialog box.
Still you are getting the dialog box. Then just give me a minute. I will rejoin again into the GoTo meeting. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Hello. Yeah.
Fine, Prasanna.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, can you make me presenter, Siva? Okay. Just a minute, let me connecting from another system. Okay. Can you mute me, Siva? Another attendee, Sindhu Mervi is there. No? That can you mute? Okay. Can you hear? Siva, can you mute me?
Prasanna,
Yeah.
Prasanna,
Yeah. Tell
I,
me.
I think you have network issue. I think we can take session tomorrow. Better.
Okay. Okay. But Siva, can you make it tomorrow morning?
What?
Tomorrow morning your time by USA morning time.
Tomorrow morning at what time?
No. Your India time today evening 9 o'clock is okay. Hello.
Yeah, Prasanna, don't change the timings, okay? Okay, we'll take session tomorrow, okay?
Tomorrow 8 o'clock. Same time.
Tomorrow same time, but we can extend 3 to 4 hours, okay? That will be better.
So we'll make it for 3 hours. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Tomorrow
Thank you.
tomorrow same timing, tomorrow same
Okay.
time,
Okay.
different timings, okay?
Okay.
I think you have network issue. Your voice is also is not audible correctly. I mean, few words are missing.
No. Actually, 1 minute.
Yeah.
The echo is coming. Now it is
Guys,
clear, na?
guys, we have session tomorrow, same time. Okay. It's for 3 to 4 hours. Okay. Please join. Prasanna, you have checked your
Yeah.
network. Okay.
Yeah, I will rectify that because till previous 2 classes went fine actually. I don't know. Let me check it out. Okay.
Yeah,
Hello.
fine. Yeah, fine, Prasanna.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, guys, we'll join tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.